kinakandak po ang Office of the Vice President. Ito po ang tree planting. So ang buong LGU, barangay, sa 17 barangays ay kasalukuyan na rin po na nagkakandak ng mga tree planting.
It's very helpful to us, no, that the Office of the Vice President came considering the difficulty in going to Palanan. We thank you for that, for coming. Kami po sa DNR ay kasama ng Office of the Vice President. We are willing to be partners with you, especially do tree growing activities to climate mitigation, and at the same time parang it serves as protection pag may mga malalaking alon. It serves also as a habitat to our marine resources. We thank you for coming and to help us in educating our constituents, our stakeholders, especially those in the far-flung barangays, para maipamulat sa kanila ang kalagahan ng ating ginagawa.